Well, welcome to the Messy Bench. Just a short video. Oops, dropped my cane. So, I sprained my ankle before Thanksgiving. So, I'm using oh, my mother's old cane. It's, got some mileage on it. So, what I'm hoping to do is replace the handle. And courtesy of Amazon, I have a piece of foam. This is ordered a replacement handle. What you see is what I got. I got a sticker. I'm sure I can find instructions online how to install this. But what's the fun in that? Alright, so here it is. Looks like the same foam. Yeah, feels like the same foam. So, obviously the first thing we need to do is get the old one off. It's pretty crusty, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. There we go. Came right off. Alright, so here's the fun part. This is straight, that's curved. Well, this will be fun. Alright, so that's as far as I'm going to get. Alright, let's see if it'll go on any further. I think it's going to fight me every step of the way. So, I think we're going to need a rubber or a friendly lubricant. Right back. Actually, I wonder if I can. No, it's not gonna go up that way. So you gotta get around that. So yeah, we're gonna need a lubricant to do this. So I think I have something that is safe for latex and rubber compounds. That's not petroleum based, and that's considered food grade. Yeah. Alrighty, so got a water-based lubricant here. So let's get a dollop of it all out of the bottle. And let's swab it on the metal. Swabbing it on the metal. Yeah. Alright, so I don't slip and punch myself in the face. Now it's getting drippy. Alright, close. Huh. Got pretty far on there. Okay, metal's still slippery. Oops. Okay. Alright, I put some right down in the hole there. Now this stuff should wash off. Alright. Oh yeah. That's the key. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Alright. Let's wipe things up here. Clean the power supply off from the... Yeah, this is getting messy. Well, it may not be the way, but it is a way of putting a handle, a new handle on your cane. Yep. But there you go. That's it. We just dry the little dollops off. Yeah. It is water-based. It will dry up. There we go. Yeah, that's it. So there you go. New handle on the cane. Just need to use some lubricant. I chose a water-based lubricant. It's handy for O-rings and water filters and things that you're going to be drinking from. I mean, basically anything that, like I said, it's a food-grade lubricant. And it's available at most grocery stores and pharmacies. I'll let you guess where. But I would stay away from the flavored ones, as you really don't need to flavor your cane. Well, although it is Christmas, well, Christmas time, candy canes. Let's part on this. Alright, cane's all better. This is a much, like I said, much basically renewed the grip. Yeah. So, just a random short video. Just fixing something around the shop on a messy, and now, yeah. Did that dissolve the, okay. Pretty sure this is, oh, this is, good night.